What's good, everybody? This is Magic Chef Nate. I'm making some penne noodles with some ground turkey. For dinner this evening, they got the penne noodles boiling in boiling water, seasoned with a little bit of olive oil and salt. Let's cook up 1 pound of ground turkey in a paper chef large saute pan on medium high heat. The tomato sauces I use were classical Italian sausages with peppers and onions. Everything is seasoned with salt, pepper, little cayenne pepper, dillweed, whole time. Stay tuned for fish results. I'll start from